Good day everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a 2025 Spider Farmer G5000 480 watt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app controlled dimmable full spectrum high yield commercial LED grow light made for a 4x4 grow tent. I recently paid $450 Canadian for this. The original price was $529. The dimensions are 33.6 by 33.56 by 3.04, 85.46 centimeters by 85.26 by 7.72 centimeters. Coverage is for a 4x4 tent, 120 centimeters by 120 centimeters. Smart control via app. You can search for the Spider Farmer on the Apple Store or Google Play. You can also simulate sunrise and sunset. Easily create neutral lighting effects. For example, set your lights to gradually brighten from 8 o'clock to 8:30 at 80% brightness and dim from 7:30 to 8 p.m. and back to 0. Set your own schedules. Turn lights on and off at specific times. Adjust brightness levels and more. The G series is their latest unit that they brought out. The main reason to choose the G series, they say, uses diodes from the American brand Bridgelux. The series has the highest density of LEDs in the lineup, providing exceptional lighting penetration, super even coverage, and high density LEDs ensures the energy running through each diode is optimized, generating less heat. With such high number diodes, each LED operate without pushing to its limits. It's best choice for budget-conscious growers seeking high yields. Bridgelux is a trusted American brand with over 20 years experience with unparalleled efficiency. You can get fantastic results however you decide to use them. In fact, the previous G-Series models powered by Bridgelux diodes have thoroughly tested in the market. Customers consistently rave about the results, and many seeing no drop-off in performance after 3 years use. Efficient bar-style design. The bar-style design allows airflow to pass between the bars, improving heat dissipation since the heat from the LEDs over a larger surface area, plus it makes adding supplemental lights a breeze. High heat efficiency, low heat output, perfect coverage, impressive results, 5-year warranty. This is a 480 watt light. You can control up to 50 lights by daisy chaining them together. Quite a unit. Thank you so much everyone for checking out my video. Bye now.